Hello. Welcome to Cyber Texas, a channel about hacking, cybersecurity, and other IT-related stuff. And show them. Google certified IT support professional and an IBM certified cybersecurity analyst.
In this video, we will talk about public Wi-Fi, like introduction to public Wi-Fi, what are the risks of using public Wi-Fi, how can you safely access public Wi-Fi. At last, I will show you a practical demo about how a hacker can gain access to your credential information on the public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi is a free internet which is offered at many public places such as coffee shops, hotels or restaurants. Since public Wi-Fi is free, anyone can gain access to it and can see whatever you are doing on the internet. If you have options, do not use public Wi-Fi. If you do not have any option, then you should use a VPN to encrypt your internet activities. Also make sure that the websites you are visiting should have HTTPS protocol. Devices on the same internet communicate through each other using packets. All the things, whether you watch videos, text messages or passwords, is sent as a packet. Devices on the internet make sure that these packets flow in the right direction by verifying the source and the destination MAC address. But if we know that in wireless networks, if you are within the range of the wireless network, then you will be able to capture all these packets because these packets are just literally sent in the air. For capturing these packets, we need a wireless or a Wi-Fi adapter. A Wi-Fi adapter is basically a device which allows your laptop to connect to wireless router to gain internet access. Most of the laptops have built-in wireless or Wi-Fi adapter, but those wireless adapters are not so much powerful. Therefore, it is required to use an external wireless adapter in Wi-Fi hacking. Now, all we need is a program that can capture these packets for us. The program which we'll be using is AeroDumpNG. It's a part of ngCrack suite. It's basically a packet sniffer and it shows the detailed information about the MAC address, the clients connected to the network, the cipher used and many more information. Before starting, this video is just made for educational purposes. Do not try to hack someone. So I'm using Kali as a virtual machine. So first command which we will do is iwconfig to see the mode of the wireless adapter. It's managed mode and we have to convert it into monitor mode. First we have to turn off our wireless adapter. We can do that by the following command. The name of my wireless adapter is WLAN0. Now it's turned off. Now we will write the command to change its mode. This command will change the mode of the wireless adapter to the monitor mode. Now we will turn on the wireless adapter. We can turn on by writing this command. Now when we do iwconfig again, you can see the mode is changed to monitor. And that's perfect. We want the monitor mode. Earlier, as I told you, we will be using a tool known as AeroDumpNG to capture the packets. And to run that program, we have to write the following command. When we will hit enter, it will start finding all the wireless network around me and display useful information about them. So it has started to find some devices, the one which will be interested in this alpha network. Now it is giving some information to us which you can see, like at the top it is giving BSS ID, then PWR, then beacons. Now let's understand what does it mean one by one. Well, BSS ID, it shows the MAC address of the target devices. So the device which we want to attack, we can see its BSS ID. Here the PWR, it is the signal strength or the power of the network. Higher the number, better will be the signal. Then the beacons, these are the frames sent by the network in order to tell or broadcast that it exists. Every network, even if it's thin, always send these frames in order to tell that I exist. Then the data, it tells the number of data packets and it's useful information. Then this /s, it tells about number of data packets that are collected in the past 10 seconds. Then ch, it tells on which channel the network works. Then mb, maximum speed supported by the network. enc shows the encryption used by the network, which you can see all are using WPA2 encryption, which is the secured one. Then the cipher, it means the cipher used on the network. Auth is the authentication used on network. Now to stop this, you have to press Ctrl Z. Now to run this AeroDumpNG against a particular wireless network, we have to write a command for that. Now this command, AeroDumpNG, followed by the BSS ID, which we can copy it from over here, the alpha1 BSS ID, and then we have to specify a file name so that the packets which we will collect can be written in a file. The file name is cyber, and then followed by the wireless adapter name, which is WLAN0. Then the channel, which we can see from here that it is operating on the channel 11. Now after when we hit enter, it will start correcting the packets. Let this happen just for 5 seconds. Now to again exit from this, we have to again press Ctrl Z. Now to access that file, we cannot directly access it, so we have to use a program which is known as Wireshark. To run that program, we have to write this on the Wireshark in the terminal. It has opened with Wireshark. Now in this, we will open the file. The cyber file, and just remember that it's the cyber01 with the cat extension file. Now these are all the packets which we have collected in that past 5 seconds. Since my network is a secured one which is using WPA2 encryption, so we cannot see clearly what is written in those packets. But just remember, if it was an open Wi-Fi network, then we would have seen everything clearly without the encrypted form. So at last, I just want to say that do not use public Wi-Fi because it's very easy to crack the public Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.